Okay, this is Geometry, Lesson 5, Part 2, and we were looking at supplementary angles and corresponding angles because of parallel lines. If they are not parallel, like line 1 and line 2, and those transversals are cutting through them, none of this applies. You'd have to measure them. Okay, so it is important that it says parallel. What are the measures of the indicated angles? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So we got two different transversals here. Now, this should add up to 180, so supplementary. So angle 4 would be 180 minus 120, 60. Okay, so we know number 4 is 60. Now, if we just neglect this transversal here and just pretend it's not there, if we look at number or 60 and 120, if we were to cut them out and shift them down to here, they would lay perfectly over top of 3 and 2. So 120 would be equivalent to number 2. These are called corresponding. So 120. And number 4 is identical to number 3. So 60. Okay, and our last one, number 1. Okay, so if this is 110, and we're just focusing on this transversal, don't worry about this other one in this triangle that it makes. It's just trying to confuse you. This 110 is corresponding to right here. And then alternate angles, so directly across, should be identical. So angle 1 is 110. So we didn't have to measure any of those as long as we knew what these two were. We could solve the rest of it. Okay, number 2. What must be the size of angle 1 if L1 and L2 are parallel? So L1 and L2 let us apply the idea of supplementary, corresponding, and alternate angles. But they've kind of put the image on an angle, but these are parallel. Here's the transversal. Okay, so there is a number of ways to do this. 57 would be equivalent to this angle right here. They are corresponding. Okay, they are identical. Now, I'm looking at this being 180 degrees. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus the 57 to get what's left over. So therefore, angle 1 is equal to 123 degrees. And that is the end of Lesson 5, Part 2.